Today is Thursday. Today's Thursday. So we are going to be kind of spending the evening together. So it has been a busy work week for me, y'all. So my normal schedule of like uploading on Mondays and Fridays and being able to edit while I'm working that ain't happening no more, girl. It's all over the place. If it's not a meeting, it's I'm on the phone with you for like almost an hour trying to figure some stuff out. It's busy. It's crazy. So I said, I miss my peeps. So we're gonna do a video. So what I'm gonna do is have you guys kind of spend the evening with me, since my days have been packed and I just haven't been able to like vlog throughout the week. What do I have planned for the evening? I really want to do like some skincare, so that's why I said let me bring y'all along with me for that. I want to try out a new face mask, but when I get off work I also need to stop and get the kids stuff for their boo baskets. So this year I'm gonna do boo baskets with them instead of like, you probably can hear them in the background, instead of like y'all go trick-or-treating and don't get no candy and now I feel crazy, you know what I mean? We don't necessarily celebrate Halloween or anything like that. We are Christians in this household, okay? We love the Lord. He hears our cry. However, kids are kids, you know what I'm saying? And they want to enjoy the fun part of Halloween, which is getting the candy. So normally we would like take them to the mall or something like that. But since we're in a new subdivision, we may take them trick-or-treating. But my thing is, if y'all don't get no candy, I don't want y'all sitting here without no candy. That's just trifling. So I'm gonna do boo baskets for them, kind of like Easter baskets, but Halloween style, if you will. So yeah, I need to go pick up the stuff for that. I'm really kind of upset because Cam, I call myself being an early bird, right? So he's all into Sonic. So I went on Amazon and ordered him a Sonic suit months ago in like August, because I was like, I'm not even gonna play this game with him. Y'all tell me why this boy has been wearing this Sonic suit around the house, and now it's like his Sonic costume, and now he don't want to wear it for Halloween. Now he wants to be a Ninja Turtle. So I need to go find a costume for that, but I'll probably do that over the weekend. Tonight I just want to go get that boo basket stuff, get back, shower and decompress, drink some hot tea and just relax. So that's what's gonna happen. Also, thank you all so much for the congratulations on my new position. It's hard work, as y'all can see. It is really affecting my YouTube schedule, but I'm so grateful and I really appreciate y'all. To know me is to know, like, I love this YouTube thing, but I'm a career woman first, and just really being able to advance and elevate in my career is important to me. So I just appreciate y'all taking the journey with me. But we gonna get out of here. I'm gonna finish up what I need to do with work, and we're gonna get their boo baskets and come back and decompress. All right, y'all. Kids are currently eating dinner, but I did go ahead and pick up their boo baskets, and each one of them picked out which one they wanted. All the materials are in the bag, candy, crafts, the whole nine. So I'll show you guys when I actually put them together. Of course, I'm putting them together closer to the actual day. But I wanted to go ahead and get the stuff while it was on my mind. Cam says hey while he's eating his dinner, right? Yeah. Anyways, but I wanted to go ahead and, you know, just get the stuff so I'm not like in with the crowds. Y'all know what it's like. You're trying to get in Walmart, you're trying to get in Target, everybody and their mama is in there, and all of what you need is like limited, you know what I mean? Or the stock is limited, or your options are limited. I just didn't want to do that. It is much early in the month, so I figured let me go ahead and get the stuff, that way it's set and prepared. So yeah, got that out of the way. We're gonna finish dinner, and then when I do my skincare routine and everything, I will bring you guys with. Hey y'all, so we're doing my evening skincare routine. I switched it up a little bit. I'm still using the Elements cleanser. I really like this, but let's see. And I'm still using my Lancome toner, but nighttime serum I have started only for the last like night or two, but I've started incorporating the CosRX snail serum. I really like this. I had someone who said that it kind of dried their skin out. I've heard before that you should be using a hydrating toner with it. I've always used the Lancome toner, so I haven't had an issue, but I really like this. With the Glow Recipe Ultimate Glow and Brightening Serum. Of course, I'm gonna be using my Kiehl's Ferulic Brew. This is my favorite essence ever. I love this. It's really good. And then I'm still using my Hope in a Jar in the evenings. Nighttime lip treatment. I usually use my Laneige, but I've been leaving this one in the bathroom, and then I got a new one from Mario Badescu that I'm really enjoying. I don't feel like doing any eye patches tonight, but I'm gonna spray my face down with some Evian and we'll get into it. Alright you guys, so we are on my side of the bed, and I just wanted to share with you guys this new lip mask that I got that I've really been enjoying, but it's out here on my nightstand because I've been using it every single night right before I go to bed. I'm literally in love with it. Someone said it was like a Laneige dupe, but I don't agree. But I figured while I was over here, I'll just show you guys my little nightstand setup. Nothing too major. I always just keep this Jo Malone pillow mist on my bedside. I don't know if it's focusing for you to see it. There it is. So it's the lavender and moonflower scent. I really enjoy this. I spray it on my bed, probably like a couple times a week. Nothing too major, but I really like it. It's very like soothing if you're trying to do like a nice relaxing night. And of course, y'all know how I feel about the Byredo Suede hand lotion. And then I just have this little basket here that I drop my jewelry in and a couple of like fashion books. Believe it or not, I got each and every single one of these from the Dollar Tree. Just over the years, they've always had some really good finds. We got Marie Claire. I've got a Rachel Zoe book here. I want to say, I can't remember who this one's by, but this one's by Rachel Roy. And over the years, I've been able to collect them all from the Dollar Tree. So don't count them out, y'all. I'm telling y'all, the Dollar Tree be popping. But that's beside the point. I do have like a little coaster here as well, because at night I will bring my water bottle in here, or like my hot tea if I'm still drinking it, and sit it on this marble coaster. And then I just have this lamp on my bedside that I've had for years. I got it from Target. But let me share the drawer with you guys. Okay, so in here I just keep like my in here I keep the Necessaire hand cream, a little fashion file, nail file, and some Brookstone like clippers, hair clips, hair ties, and stuff like that. I need to refill my vitamin wheel, but I normally leave it in here because I will either take them when I first wake up in the morning, or I just essentially know that, like, you know, they're in this drawer. But what I have been loving, y'all know I've always been in love with this Mario Badescu, what is this, the lip balm. This is my favorite. Y'all know I love this. But apparently they started making a lip mask. Y'all, I am addicted. I really like this. It's not as thick as the Laneige one, but that's what I like about it, because the Laneige one sometimes is like too thick for me to wear to bed. This is like the perfect thickness. So if you've been looking for a new lip mask or just want to try something a little bit different, I highly recommend this one. It's a little bit cheaper than the Laneige as well. This one was $14. I think the Laneige is like $25. So yeah, if you're interested in a new lip mask, this is a really good one. And what else do I keep in here? This is just the Dior nail cream. What is on me? I don't know what that, oh, it's probably from that paper towel. But yeah, this is the Dior nail cream. I really like this one. So they have like a squeezy tube one as well. I thought about getting that one. I don't know. I don't need any more stuff. So I think I'm good. I have a cuticle oil in my purse already. But this I love putting on my hands before I go to bed, and then throwing it on with this, the Necessaire hand cream. Y'all, perfect combo, and you wake up in the morning and your nails are good and hydrated. So highly recommend. So I know that was random, but I just wanted to share with you guys, you know, what I keep on my nightstand. And then right down here at the bottom, so the drawer, there's like, you know, this drawer, but then right down here at the bottom is where I keep like all of my what would you consider this, like all my body care and stuff. I just keep it in this little acrylic bin, and then in here I keep my dry brush, because I don't know if y'all are like this, but I cannot get like dressed or like lotion down in the physical bathroom where the toilet is. That just grosses me out. I feel like I'm gonna throw up every single time. So I always have to come out here, sit on the side of my bed, and get myself together. But let me get my hot tea, and I will see you guys in another vlog. I hope you enjoyed. I know it's kind of quick and impromptu, but hopefully you guys enjoy.